Hi there, Aaron Kernahan here from Ecl-ips. We've just received a delivery of the new Avigilon H5 dome camera. It's the H5 mini dome. This camera actually is just in the box here, so we'll bring it out. You get a quick installation guide. Here's the camera itself. You can see here the waterproof connector for your network connection into the back of the camera. And you can see here it's got the adjustments available within the camera. This one's got the IR. This is actually the 5 megapixel H5M D01. So this time the camera actually does come with its own back box that you can see here. So this could be wall mountable or ceiling mountable. There's always also an option for the in ceiling mount kit for these. So this actually just it connects into here, and there's actually this little tab just drops down into the housing. Now you can still turn it with the housing and then fix on top the shroud. So this is it, the new H5M camera from Avigilon. It's available in 2 megapixel or 5 megapixel. Any more questions, please let us know. Thank you.